The Razor Power Rider 360 electric trike is the best electric trike and absolutely perfect for kids above the age of 8, as the rear caster wheels allow for easy stunt tricks, such as spins, drifts, and even slides. The hand-operated braking system is of high quality, adding to this trike's safety rating, and the push-button throttle allows for a near-instantaneous speed boost. You might not put it on your list as the best electric bike, but it is a fun one to have. The Razor Power Rider 360 electric tricycle is a high-quality trike that is perfect for kids who like to play outside, with the rear caster wheels allowing for all manner of stunts and tricks. The hand-operated braking system and push-button throttle make for an efficient and smooth ride. But if your kid wants to be in the next generation of motocross riders, then open the Razor MX 350 Dirt Rocket Electric Motocross Bike Review. Durability and amp. Build quality. The high-impact pneumatic front wheel offers a good amount of stability for a smooth and even ride, with the bike being able to run purely off the electric-powered motor. The tricycle is capable of 360-degree spins, slide, and even drift on its dual-inclined rear caster high-performance wheels. It's a great beginner bike, just like the Swag Cycle EB5 Pro. With one reviewer, an error occurred with the manufacturing that resulted in the chain coming off whenever the bike was used. On another note, when it comes to endurance riding and racing, one of the best bikes to purchase is the Ribble Endurance SLE Review. Performance, speed and amp, acceleration. Unlike the Schwinn Meridian electric cargo trike, this electric assist trike is primarily intended to be used by kids. The maximum speed here is around 9 miles per hour, and the load capacity is just 120 pounds. Additionally, the battery is slightly lacking, taking nearly 12 hours to achieve a full charge and allowing for only 40 minutes of continuous use. Range and amp. Battery. The new electric Razor Power Rider is powered by a 12V rechargeable battery system. It's a rather poor show, to be honest, with the battery lasting for about 40 minutes, yet by Razor's own statement, it takes 12 hours to charge. This makes the Admotor Moton better choice despite the higher cost. Safety features. With a single front-hand brake to stop the front-wheel drive of the trike, it might not look safe at first glance, but it actually stops the trike rather quickly. Value. By far the cheapest electric trike among the top 10, but it shows with its low speed and seemingly cheap battery. No doubt the trike is super fun for the 40 minutes, but the short lifespan leaves something to be desired compared to the fat tire recumbent trike.